In this video, we will see how to download Python in our PC. First of all, search Python in the Google and we can see here. Then we can see Python organized dot. Let's click on it. Here we can see downloading option. Then we can download. After that, we can see that Python 13.13 version was downloaded. Here it will show. Let's install it. Now we will click on the admin privileges and add Python to options. After installing, we should see optional features. Then we have to click on the next. Here we should select for all, download Python for all users, that is first point. Then we have to click next option. Then Python was downloaded. Wait for 1 minute, it will download it. After that, we can check it how it works. Search cmd and type here I am type Python version. Then the result, it shows Python 3.13 like that. Now we have to check IDLE Python. Let's check that after completion of this. Let's type IDLE. Here IDLE platform reads like this, shows like that.